Hello and what's up my good people, it's your girl Mercy back again with another video. Na kama kawaida,
I'm back with Mercy. This is Alex. Welcome back to this YouTube channel. Give a like, subscribe. Thank you.
and to my subscribers, thank you. To those who haven't subscribed, come on, tufikie 1,000 subscribers. And welcome to today's video, whereby we are talking about cheating. Our take on cheating, and do cheating partners deserve a second chance?
This
Ronald
partner doesn't deserve any chance. Because already they had the chance, then the work I take for granted. Then now, I don't think second chance unakuja kufanya nini?
Maybe ilikuwa mistake, maybe ilikuwa shetani.
Then why did you cheat at first time?
Shetani.
Yeah. That's very bad.
So like before hata tufike hapo kwa do cheating partners deserve a second chance. Like what do you think when you hear the word cheating? Like how, like to you, what is cheating?
In that context of relationship.
Okay.
Cheating, it is a signal that mtu ashatoka na wewe. Like, that is my definition. Mtu ashatoka na wewe na hataki kukwambia. Ama amekuambia na akaona you don't take it like uelewi kitu anakuambia. So anago that extra mile akushow through action.
Okay.
You know, sometimes actions communicate. So not try to communicate something. Maybe there is something you've been doing wrongly. Talk about it, umesikia, unarekebisha. Ama disagreement hapa na pale, wewe ndio uko na makosa, utaki kurekebisha, utaki ku accountable for the mistakes in the relationship. So anago ahead na kuonyesha okay, watch out.
Watch out. So I have a question. Like maybe you have a girlfriend, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Acha ikuwe haina shida. So like you have a girlfriend and this girl has been talking to a certain guy while you are in a relationship. Like it's like they are flirting. Is that cheating?
Ngumu sana. Nataka niongee kama joke mosiri. Okay. Flirting
with another guy. If they are flirting.
Naongea nijifunze.
Oh my god.
But
no.
Flirting. Okay, there are some things we can't control. Let me just be honest.
So flirting is not
cheating. So I'm trying to give out my point. There are some things you can't control in your girl.
Okay.
People your girl interacts with, you can't. Because hatuko like every time kuangaliana like oversee what you do every day. So flirting kwangu flirting is cheating.
Flirting, pia mimi kwangu flirting is cheating.
Do the word flirting, it means like he's trying to snatch.
Yeah. So they will continue flirting, and at the end of the day, watameet.
Ile vitu alisema kwa text
watafanya. Yeah, so like you know, maybe let me ask the viewers one day. Why should you be flirting with other people when you are in a relationship? It's either you're not interested in the relationship, you are not interested in your partner, ama like wewe hauko kabisa. Hiyo ni kucheat bana. And I have a question. Why do people cheat?
People cheat because they feel exhausted in their relationship. They feel something is not right in their relationship. Or they try to communicate with their partners for some change and they are not taking it into consideration. So
why can't you walk out there?
See, that's cheating.
Walk out?
Like okay, people, okay, one day, like if they walk out, they don't wanna wataki wanakana like nikawa na options. Okay, if somebody cheats, he's trying to prove something. You get it?
Yeah.
I talked about something, how kusikia. Siwezi walk out na ninyamaze. I have to walk out and signal something.
So it's like revenge.
Yeah.
Sasa, what are you revenging for? Kama ni miscommunication, why can't you say it? Ukuje uniambie like Mercy, hii kitu nimekuwa nikikwambia hivi na hivi na hivi na hutaki kusikia.
Okay, let me ask you something. If you walk out, what do you mean walk out?
Si tuachane.
Then you will out a date.
niende ni date mwingine basi.
See, that's cheating.
It's not cheating,
Mimi sasa
tumeachana.
mimi sasa siko ready kukuacha.
Hiyo siku cheat. What do you mean? Hiyo siku cheat juu. Oh my god. Because nimeshindia kitu moja kukwambiana kitu moja. Unajua at the end of the day nitafika mahali nichoke.
You know.
Maybe na get your point hapo. Like nitakuja nichoke na pia ndo sasa italead
sasa mimi na kwa bado na kupasu. Hey babe, come back.
Oh my god.
So the moment you make that step that you are dating again, to me it's cheating because they let this girl out of my heart.
Oh my god, you will have to let it out. So will you take them back?
That girl.
Yeah.
Sasa unajua, okay. Miss cheating kwa ngo haina second chance. If you mess with me.
So what if it was like we have broken up, but you on your side we haven't broken up, but on the girl's side we have broken up. I'm talking to this guy and you're still talking to me.
Okay, cheating to me is respect, and I don't take it as a because so it's rather niumie kana kupenda na hii.
Me I will cheat back.
So
mimi na revenge bwana. Hey, unajua venye hiyo kitu ni bana.
Sasa unaona watu wakianza kudate.
The disrespect bana.
Sasa ukikatia dem. Unaona ukikatia dem na kwa ile. Ako pursuit, like ana pursuit kikai. Ana try ku convince ego yake like I can't. Unaona ile time unakatianga dem na anakufanyia like anapira. Let me say that.
Okay.
So try skills zinatokea like hadi win them. So unaona sasa huyu jamaa na make a lot of effort. Ku approach, ku sit talk, morning text nini, pick up like. Sasa the moment unaingia box yake, things
zinaanza kuchange.
Like blurry design ni kazi ile wiki kwa pale tu. So jamaa ame switch into nishapata ule. So anakuwa comfortable.
Sasa hiyo challenge imeshaisha. The challenge is not there.
Dem alikupenda, kumbuka dem alikupenda juu.
Ile kumchase.
Kuna sweet word nini, morning nini. So kwa relationship so unajua hizo vitu nyingi zitakuwa ile time nini visit mbili ni kwa keja nini. Like nikaa jamaa na get comfortable. The more mna meet sana anaanza ku change the role. Kwa wewe ndo
unamchase sasa.
So udem atakuboeka. Alafu tutakuwa na msee mwingine
anamchase.
Yeah, anamchase sasa.
Okay.
So like ikienda hivyo unapatanga like si wewe test like wewe unataka mtu anakuchase. Na mtu wako akuchase. So huyu jamaa anakuchase atapata. Mademo anapenda sweet words, sweet life nini.
Words of affirmation.
Huyu jamaa atakubongesha viti atakutrick na kuna majamaa wenyewe anakuanga na msamiati. Yeah, niggas out there know how to
what's your best pickup line tukiwa
mimi nishapita huko
si usikue hivyo
saizi pickup game yangu iko down bana
moja tu ati ayo what kuna sijui ati ayo what
kuna nyingine tunaona
sijui kitu ya Eiffel Tower because I fell for you I don't know
no pen for the still drawing my attention
ati na kila
really going nasa no pen no paper still drawing my attention nilikuwa pick up line king kitakayo
lakini sasa
umeretire tumegrow tukakuja kurealize msichana atakupenda design venye huko tu hata ufai kuskini alafu wasichana kama nyinyi wezi okay sasa hizi mtu akikutumia pick up lines unaona
sometimes inakuaga like it's so cringe like what do you mean ati sijui what I don't know sijui I fell for you I don't know what I fell tower cause I fell for you what the bro I will be just watching you like oh my god like what are you saying
okay
but ingekuwa sasa time nilikuwa high school I would be like so impressed
like life inaendanga nika in trends sasa unapata hii trend
inaisha but nowadays a lot of people don't use like
kuna time mademo alikuwa wanataka like gym with people so hiyo trend iliisha tukaingia pick up lines hii kaisha
funny people
saizi tuko kwa ganji sasa
sasa ni ganji
gonga
lakini ganji kuisha ni ngumu hiyo
na kuiswipe away ni ngumu
so nimekuwa like na question like why do most men cheat like between a boy and a girl the boy cheats more, or the man cheats more than the woman. Why is that?
Mhm. I'll say this.
Okay.
I'll refer it to the biblical thing. A
Okay.
man was made to lead.
Yeah, you are leading.
Uh-huh.
And
And
let
a
me refer.
leader.
No. Kwanza, shut
Okay,
up. Let me tell you.
nimepause.
And God made Adam.
Mhm.
Okay, and He also made who?
Eve.
Eve. How many Eves did He make?
One.
Okay, continue.
So nilikuwa na try kuinterpret that context like this.
Okay.
Simple form.
Mhm.
Like man aliumbwa a lead. A leader should have how many followers?
Bruh, you are a boyfriend, not a leader.
Yeah, like men
When a
ndo
boyfriend,
tuko-
you are not a leader.
Utapata like
Cause what are you leading?
how the other guys.
Where are you leading them to?
My empire.
Let me tell you. See, you are the head, right? The woman is the neck.
Okay.
Now tell me what happens
let us-
when you have a lot of necks.
let us-
necks.
let-
Will
let us-
the head
Let
survive?
us do this.
Okay.
Let us dive into reality.
Okay.
Right now,
Mm-hmm.
a boy at the age of 20 starts dating.
Okay.
Gets in a relationship.
Okay.
And that guy learns to marry at the age of 30. So he got like 10 years in the game to date, to sample out what he needs. Wow.
Okay.
Do you want to tell me huyu jamaa akianza kudate 20 huyo mtu atakaa 10 years waone?
See, yes, but why are people like Messi having the same girlfriend from childhood? Why? Tell me.
Like who?
Like Messi.
Oh, his home.
From childhood.
But
Look like a person like
okay.
Haaland. The
So-
same girl from like
yeah,
childhood.
the thing is that
It's still
ama
the
jamaa
same
kuna
girl.
life yao hatujui. Kuna a lot of things about them we don't know.
Okay, so mi niko hapo kwa hiyo context yako ya kusema ukianza kudate msichana akiwa 20,
Yeah, sasa
30.
tuko huku Kenya tuna try to get into reality. Na tuna get into reality na wewe.
But some people do.
Wewe unaweza umedate watu wangapi?
Like ile seriously.
Kudate ni kudate. As long as somebody
know,
in
kuna
your
ile-
relationship.
Kuna ile ya tio tunaongea nini like
Okay,
that.
umedate watu wangapi? Acha
Like tuseme tu like kudate like
Kudate
wachana
ni
hii na
fulani,
hii ya
okay, sawa.
unapatana na msee nini.
Kudate.
That's not kudate. Like I've dated like the serious one, two people.
Na saizi uko na ama kuna watatu watakuja.
I
Okay,
think hakuna mwingine
the thing I'm
atakuja.
trying to
For
show
me,
you- the thing
for
I'm
me
trying
I'm
to
like
show you is
for
that-
me I'm like unajua inategemea na mtu. Like if you feel like let me tell you like you are my boyfriend, right? I feel like say
I'm not your boyfriend.
oh my god. I'm like say like venye tunaenda hivi na hivi according to me sasa. Hii na hii venye natakanga iko sawa. Like this and this uko sawa. This and this uko sawa. Unless you change your mind, as long as vitu zetu zina align, I'm okay. Yeah. So si lazima like if like we are meant to be, then yes. Yeah.
Can I keep talking?
Unless sasa
Let's leave.
shege ifanyiki.
Okay.
Mhm.
We are going back into reality. Sasa
Okay.
tuachane na mambo ya superficiality na hizo vitu zingine. So we go back to reality.
Okay.
At the age of 20 tulikuwa at the age of 20. So kadate mtu. You know, life like growth inakwanga like in advance.
But
in a way.
let me tell you.
Things change through growth.
Okay. Yes.
Body size, test zako zina change.
Yeah.
So at the age of 20 ukifika 21, 22 usha get exposed. Umeenda different places, meet new people with different ideas. Then the perception yenye unachukulia about love again ina change. That's why unapata mtu maybe mimi nilikuwa at the age of 20 nilikuwa I will marry and have 3 kids. But at the age of 25 naanza ku think about marriage is bullshit. I won't marry. So things change. That is what I mean.
But to no.
If things change,
Mhm.
it means again like your inner circle will definitely change.
But
So that's
but
why-
you know, let me tell you, Alex. Like, let me say you have a girlfriend right now. See, you are in your 20s,
Mhm.
and you are like, this is what I want my girl to be. Akuwe hivi, na akuwe hivi, right? hakuna venye utaniambia utafika 30 na uchange hiyo test. You can't. Hata ukiachana na huyu bado utaenda kutafuta mwingine ako na the same quality. Unless sasa uniambie utakuwa unatafuta mwenye ameimprove kidogo. Because let me tell you, like for me, I've always liked slim men. Hakuna venye nitafika 30 nianze ku like big men. Okay.
Tutoke kwa sasa like hizo physical things.
Okay, so it's not about
personality.
Let me say personality. You know, a person to change a personality, it's either akutaki ama maybe ana try ku fit in kwa msemo mwingine. Cause let me ask you, unaweza kuwa unasema unajua Masia anakuaga hivi na hivi na hivi. Alafu utapata msemo mwingine akwambia hapana, Masia kuagi hivyo. Ako hivi na hivi na hivi. You know, a personality ina change according to the person. Let me tell you, Alex, today, what I show you, it's what you tell other people. Like, Masia ako hivi na hivi. Mtu mwingine hapa nje atakwambia Masia ako hivi na hivi na useme hapana. Hiyo si Masi mwenye najua. Unajua ni vitu viwili different. So, Temie Msia anasema ati I can't build a life with a woman ama a man from like 21 to maybe umuone 27, 28 ama 30. Ni usiseme ati ni juu test yako ilichange. Hapana. Sema wewe nilichoka na wewe, nataka kitu kingine. It's as simple as that.
Okay. So mimi nakurudisha kwa reality. Mimi sasa sitaki ati stories za dreams.
Okay.
Nikurudisha hapa kwa reality nikwambie hivi. Dema kimaliza form 4 anaanza na kudate.
Kumaliza unajua inategemea na msee.
Okay, kuna msichana aishi kwa type yake ni wababa.
Kuna watu wanapenda watu wazee. Cause tell me why a 21 year old ameolewa na 40 year old ama 50 year old.
Because maybe you lacked options.
Utapata wewe msee alitoka high school. Let me tell you. Utapata wewe ni dem akiwa high school pia alikuwa na date msee yako huku 27. Ukweli. You know, but girls, we girls, like most of girls, I see them preferring another guy than them.
Older, it's okay, but huwezi kuambia older like your margin ya hiyo miaka
50,
20 na 50.
Some people like don't like poverty.
Yeah.
Cause tell me why.
Sasa that's the point. Nilikuwa nakwambia if you grow, if you get exposed, things change.
Kuna let me tell you, Alex, kuna msemali ako kwa familia fulani like ako like mimi hata hapa nikimaliza shule I can't marry a person who is not financially stable.
Yeah, that's true.
Juu ya maisha yenye amepitia. Yeye kutoka kitambo anajuanga mimi nataka kuolewa na msako na do. Hata akuwe na miaka ngapi I will settle for that.
We go back to the beginning. How does love in a beginning? When
love,
people start realizing this is love, how does it begin?
You know, how does it
start with your peers, people around you.
Let me tell you.
And that's love. After that, you get exposed.
Peer love, you know.
Yeah.
You get exposed to it.
Yeah, you do peer like where ukiwa high school. Ilikuwa na revolve wapi? Ulidate Nairobi ukiwa high school.
You know, I didn't know people from Nairobi.
Exactly. So I mean exposure brings some impact in those relationships.
But still nikikuja Nairobi pia na nitapatana na mtu wa nyumbani. Si nyumbani, maybe you are around Makueni.
But ako Nairobi.
But you umekuja Nairobi kama mimi.
Yeah. So I mean exposure ndo ina bring those things. Unaanza kuona like you're thinking in a better way than the way you were thinking.
So like unataka like you are saying like when you change ina lead to
okay, nilikuwa nasema hivi.
Test yako ina change.
Some people hufai kuambia mwanjani. Some gaps need just to like just get out.
Okay.
And you'll not get out in that form of cheating.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you get out of like it's like an next.
Okay, mimi niko na demu like tuseme niko na demu shauri kuja Nairobi. Nimepatana na wewe.
Okay.
Tukaanza kuongea. Unajua kama niko na demu.
Siwezi jua.
Na tukaanza kudate na mimi ni mtu wako.
Okay.
So how can I tell that girl in Ushago that nataka kumwacha? Na nikienda nakuwa naenda Ushago.
Oh my God.
Una get the point? So ni yeye akuje kurealize there is another girl in Nairobi. So that is cheating.
But realistically, the one in Ushago it will be hard to know.
Yeah, but
maybe
that's cheating. Like that's basically cheating.
So
really cheating.
Okay, so
kikuja kufind out itakuwa cheating ndo naanza kupeana excuses ziko. Mwambie unajua.
So tukimalizia like does a good girl deserve a second chance after
Good
cheating.
girl. Good girl.
Yeah,
Does a
maybe-
good girl cheat?
Yes,
Ah,
maybe.
nah.
Maybe ni shetani, you never know.
Kuna mimi usielewi.
Ama ni ovulation ilimshika na huko karibu.
You have to self control.
You know ovulation.
Sijui but wewe unajua mtu kumbao?
Oh my.
Unajua? Hakuna stories za
So,
second chance. A good girl can cheat.
Yes.
Yeah.
So a good man can. So let me ask you. A good man can cheat, be forgiven, life iendelee, but a good girl.
If I cheat on you, I don't deserve a second chance in
Okay.
life.
So according to you,
Yeah, according to me.
if you cheat on me,
Na ukinipea second chance naanza kufikiria mara mbili. Mbona unanipea second chance?
it's like you are enjoying
No,
it.
unidunga na kisu.
You are enjoying. Let me tell you, Alexa. You cheat on me, I know. I cheat on you, I dump you. Simple as that. And guys, tell us your views on a cheating partner. Does a cheating partner, like how does it evolve hadi ifike kukua like cheating? So should you walk out? Should you continue cheating? Should you give them a second chance? And guys, I'll see you on the next video. Bye.
Bye.